Hello, welcome to TS classes. In the last video, we have done two problems related to Rao-Thare criterion. In this video, we will do some problems. The first problem is check the stability of the system having the characteristic equation, this one. The equation is s power 6 plus s power 5 plus 5s4 plus 3s cube plus 2s square minus 4s minus 8 is equal to 0. Since the first two steps already clear, that is the characteristic equation and the arrangement in decreasing order of power of s. Now we will put this value in the table. So since the maximum power of s is 6, so s power 6, s power 5, s power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1 and s power 0. And the first row, the value will be the odd power terms, that is, so the value will be 1, 5, 2, minus 8. Next, the power of s is 5. So here the value will be 1, 3, minus 4. 1, 3, minus 4 and 0. The first two rows are clear. Now the third row, s power 4, and here the value will be 1 into 5 minus 1 into 3 divided by 1. The value is 2. Similarly, here the value is 1 into 2 minus 1 into minus 4 divided by 1. The value is 6. Here the value will be 1 into minus 8 minus 1 into 0 divided by 1, which is equal to minus 8, and this value is 0. The point we have got in the S4 is 2, 6, minus 8 and 0. Next, in the S3 power, here the value will be 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 2 into 3 minus 1 into 6 by 2, which is equal to 0. Here the value will be 2 into minus 4, 2 into minus 4 minus 1 into minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 0, and here the value is 0 and 0. Here we have seen the in the S3 rows all the elements are 0. When all the elements are 0 here, so we have to do one extra thing is here, that is in the upper line we have to find another characteristic equation that is equal to, here the value is 2, so we have to write 2 into s power is 4, 2s power 4. Next, the coefficient is 6, so 6 into s power will be 2 here, because it is the 4 again it will be a even power, so power of s will be 2, again the value is minus 8 and s power will be 0. So this one will be 2s4 minus 6x square minus 8 is equal to 0, and I have to find its derivative. So d by ds of 2s power 4 plus 6s square minus 8 is equal to 0, and the derivative with respect to s, so derivative value will be 8s cube plus 12s minus 0. That implies the characteristic equation will be 8s cube plus 12s is equal to 0. Here we have got another characteristic equation which having the maximum power is 3 is here. The new characteristic equation was here. I will put this value in 0, 0, 0 place. So by eliminating this line, I will write it 8, 12, 0 and 0. Now in the same process we will continue it. Here the value will be 8 into 6, 8 into 6 minus 2 into 12 by 8, and the value is 3. Here the value will be 8 into minus 8 minus 2 into 0 divided by 8 is equal to minus 8. It is 0, again 0. Similarly, for s power 1, the line will be 3 into 12, 3 into 12 minus 8 into minus 8 divided by 3. The value is 100 by 3, and here the value will be 3 into 0, so value will be 3 into 0 minus 8 into 0, so is 0 0 0. Similarly here s power 0, the value is 100 by 3 into minus 8 minus 3 into 0 divided by 100 by 3, so here the value will be minus 8. So here we have seen that the first column values, that is 1 1 2 8 3 100 by 3 and minus 8. Here all the terms are positive excluding the last one, so last one is negative here, so the system is unstable, and the number of pole in the RHS of the S plane is 1, because the symbol changes from positive to negative only once. Here the problem is solved, but here we have seen only one thing, that is in the S power term all the rows was 0. When the condition is that when all the rows are 0, we have to find the upper line equation, and taken as characteristic equation we have to make its derivative with respect to x, and the equation which we have got, that will be filled in case of 0 0 0 3, and then we have to solve the problem whether the system is stable or not. Since here all the terms are positive excluding the last one, so the system is negative is here. The next problem, the question is s power 4 plus ss cube plus 2s square plus 2s plus 5 is equal to 0. We have to put here in the table. So the value will be s power 4 q square 1 and 0. In the first row the values are 1 2 5. The second row values are 1 2 and 0. Now the third row the value will be 1 into 2 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 divided by 1. Here the value is 0. Here the value will be 1 into 5 minus 1 into 0 divided by 1. So here the value is 5. Now this point is 0. Now here this line, the first point is 0, but the second point is not 0. So we have to do another thing, that is, since in a line all the points were 0, we have to put the upper line equation and take its derivative with respect to s. Since only the first value is 0 and the rest value are non-zero, then we have to do another rule, that is, in case of s we have to put 1 by z. So if we put 1 by z here, then the value will be 1 by z power 4 plus 1 by z power q plus 2 into 1 by z square plus 2 into 1 by z plus 5 is equal to 0. By solving this, I will get the power of z is 4, here is 1 plus z plus 2 z square plus 2 z q plus 5 z 4 is equal to 0. By cross multiplication I can get 1 plus z plus 2 z square plus 2 z q plus 5 z power 4 is equal to 0. Now I have to arrange it in decreasing order of z. So the value is 5 z power 4 plus 2 z q plus 2 z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is the new characteristic equation. I have to solve this equation by Rautharay method. So I will do a new Rautharay problem, that is, the coefficient will be z here. Coefficient of z will be put here. So here the value of z is z power 4, z power 3, z square, z power 1, z power 0. The first line I will write 5, 2 and 1. So 5, 2, 1. In the second line the rest value, that is 2, 1 and 0. So here I will write 2 into 2 minus 5 into 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here the value is 2 into 1 minus 5 into 0 divided by 2, the value is 1, here the value is 0. Now here z power 1 value, here the value is minus 1 by 2 into 1, so minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 divided by 1 by 2, and the value is minus 5. Next here the value will be 0 and it is also 0, and here in g power 0th row the value is minus 5 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 0, so it value will be 1 is here the value will be 0 and 0. So in this equation the first column value will be 5, 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 5 and 0. Here negative piece comes, so the system is unstable. Again, since it is unstable, so we have to check how many poles are in the RHS of the S-plane. Here plus plus minus minus plus, from 2 to minus 1 by 2 the symbol is changed from positive to negative the very first time, and again minus 5 to 0 the symbol is changes again negative to positive, so in twice the symbol is changed. So here two poles are in the RHS of the S-plane. In today's class we have done two problems. In the first problem the total all the elements of a row was 0. In that case we have done that the upper line value we have to take, and in that line we have to do the characteristic equation and take its derivative with respect to S and again solve it. And in this problem we have done if the first column value is 0 and the rest value is not 0. Here we have done that by the place of S I have put 1 by z and find another characteristic equation and solved it. This is the two various processes when the value is 0 for the first column or in the total row. In the next class we will study another thing. Thank you.